There's a box with stripes and locks, sitting still on Grandpa's rocks. He said it holds a learning treat, but only if you take your seat. The children gasped, oh, what could be? A bouncing ball, a honeybee. But Grandpa smiled, don't guess too fast. Each riddle opens it at last. Riddle 1. I'm round and red, I grow on trees. I crunch so loud, I swing in breeze. I help your body, make you strong. Guess me right, it won't take long. An apple, cried the kids with glee. Click, one lock popped off times 3.
I twinkle bright, but I'm not near. I shine at night so sharp and clear. You wish on me with quiet delight.
Guess what? I am in the sky at night. A star, they shouted, jumping high. Click, another lock said goodbye.
I hop around with legs so wide. I croak and leap, I like to hide. In ponds and grass I play all day. Can you guess me? Come, don't delay.
A frog, they cheer, clack, lock 3 done. One more to go, then comes the fun. I come with pages black and white, with stories deep and knowledge bright. You read me slow or read me fast. Guess me right, we're free at last. A book, they yelled and snapped when lock 4 now creaked open the box's door.
Inside it sat a glowing screen, with letters, songs, and shapes to be seen. It played a show that taught with cheer, math and colors, loud and clear. The kids all clapped and took their place, with wide bright eyes and smiling face. Grandpa winked, the fun's begun. Learning's magic for everyone.